sudden you all got quiet. Is that power or is that what? I don't know. Okay, this is probably the most quiet beginning of a Greek Week award ceremony that I have ever attended. And I've attended over 25 of them. So how about a little cheer maybe from the Pi Phis? Find out, you think you can be louder? Kappa? That was pretty good. Sigma? CBT? Come on, Alpha Z's, bring it home. Very good, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for the award ceremony? Have you had a good week? Did you have fun? All right. Okay, so we're going to get going here. So good evening and welcome to the 2026 Monmouth College Fraternity and Sorority Life Awards. I'm Vice President of Student Affairs and Dean of Students, Karen Overzolic. It's a great honor and privilege to be here this evening with all of you, celebrating the achievements of our Greek life members. This is a week you can all come together to celebrate with each other, share in brotherhood and sisterhood, and of course, some healthy competition. Did you have any of that this week? Yeah. Was it always healthy competition? Give or take. Okay. But it's more than that. You've had a year of showing the campus and local community what it means to be part of the FSL community. Your service and philanthropy, academic achievements, and serving leadership roles in the classroom, on your athletic teams, and various student organizations. Tonight, honors will be bestowed on individuals and organizations. But you all deserve a round of applause for all of your hard work. I would also like to share some thank yous. A big thank you to Gary Bonifer from the Marketing and Communications Department. For not only setting up the live stream and taking pictures for us tonight, I believe he was at every one of your events throughout the week and got some great pictures, which I'm sure are, if not on the Flickr page now, will be shortly. I also want to thank Meredith McGarry for working AV up in the booth for us tonight. I know the mothers are going to thank her for coordinating Greek Week, but I want to say my thank you to you for coordinating Greek Week tonight. And I was really happy to cross it off my board today. It's done, and what a job she did. Me too. Finally, President Draves and Dr. Jeff Draves wish they could be with us this evening, but unfortunately they're unable to be here in person. So President Draves has gifted us with a video message, and then we'll begin with the Order of Omega President, Molly Shook, who will kick off the awards this evening. So with that, let's see our welcome video from President Draves.
Hello, Fighting Scots. Hello, Fighting Scots. It's President Draves coming to you from Colorado. I'm visiting with donors here, just finished up a conference, and I hate not being with you. Well, congratulations on a successful Greek Week, and congratulations to the award recipients tonight. I know you're excited to hear about who those are. I understand from many of you that it was a successful week, lots of competition and healthy competition, but also, good collaboration among all of you. I think you all know the importance of fraternity and sorority life at Monmouth and all you do for the campus and for one another, whether it's service, whether it's social, whether it's giving a helping hand, and the long legacy of fraternities and sororities at Monmouth and the connections that you'll have for a lifetime. The networks and the professional networks. I will tell you, I was at this technology and AI conference, and I, of course, course, was, wearing my Monmouth gear. And I cannot tell you, it was at least 7 different people at this conference that came up and talked to me about Greek life, Greek systems, and being the mothership for 2, and those are their words, for 2 of our sororities on campus. So it was fun to know that they knew Monmouth College through our, fraternity and sorority life. But again, hate not being with you tonight, but have a great night and congratulations on a great week.
Before we commence the awards portion of our ceremony, we will provide special recognition to both new and graduating members of Order of Omega. This spring, Order of Omega was honored to initiate 4 new members. We would like to recognize those individuals now. When I call your name, please stand and remain standing to be recognized. From Alpha Zeta Delta, Aubrey Bowler. And Sabrina Oaks. From Kappa Kappa Gamma, Daniel Johnson. And Chloe Covey. From their contributions to their organization, the betterment of our community in Monmouth College, and for their commitment to fraternity siblinghood, the National Order of Omega Greek Honor Society recognizes these students as these new members. As president of Order of Omega and a fellow Greek, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all. We would now like to recognize our members that will be participating in commencement next month. When I call your name, please come to the stage to receive your graduation cords and remain on stage to be recognized as an entire group. From our graduating members are as follows. From Alpha Zeta Delta, Camilla Graham, Alyssa McDaniel, Kelsey Morris-Felder, Cassandra From Kappa Kappa Gamma, Ana Garcia, Hannah McKee, and Ruby Palmberger. From Pi Beta Phi, Bronte Swartz, Maya Diverton, Karina Ing, Annalyn Lovell, Izzy McDermott, and Dawson Wilson. From Phi Delta Theta, Jameson Reese, and Caden From Sigma Phi Epsilon, Riley Colness. From Zeta Beta Tau, Rainy Arrhenius, Mason Reed, Karen Chuck, Joey Kodaski, and Brayden Smear. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for representing Monmouth College and Order Omega well. Let's give them a round of applause. Please welcome our Greek directions, Miss Camilla Graham, Mr. Zach Manley, and Miss Maya Dickerson to the stage for some announcements before we kick off the awards portion of tonight's ceremony.
So good evening, I am Camilla Graham.
I am Zach Manley.
And I'm Maya Dickerson.
And we led the Greek Week Committee in the planning and implementation of all the Greek Week events. We want to take a special moment to recognize all the members of Greek Week Committee whose names can be found in your program for their hard work in planning this week's events. If you are present, please stand so we can thank you for your efforts this week.
Tonight, as we come together to celebrate the accomplishments of the last year, the Greek Week Committee wants to first and foremost express to you all how proud we are of you all that you have done over the past year to not only support your chapters, but to support fraternity and sorority life on campus. Each member of Greek life plays a significant role in the success of their chapter, and tonight we celebrate you all.
It is now our pleasure to present Greeks by the numbers. This tradition highlights the accomplishments of the Greek community, reminding us all of the impact we hold as members of fraternities and sororities. Monmouth currently has 157 undergraduates on campus that are members of a fraternity or a sorority, with 35 of us walking across the commencement stage next month. In both the spring and fall of last year, the average GPA of Greeks exceeded that of unaffiliated students, with the all-Greek GPA being a 3.42 in the spring and a 3.35 in the fall.
As a community, we are all extraordinarily involved across many areas of campus. In 2025, 53% of first-year mentors and orientation leaders are members of Greek life. Greeks also make up about 54% of residence life staff and 62% of Scott ambassadors. Additionally, nearly every member of the current Scott Student Senate Executive Board is a member of Greek life.
During our Penny Wars competition this week, we were able to raise $595.55 for Recharge Teen Center, a local nonprofit dedicated to helping our local 8th to 12th grade kids have a safe place for fellowship and fun.
We also want to recognize that Mason Reed was named one of 8 outstanding IFC presidents. As Outstanding Advisor for Order of Omega for Mid-America region.
Thank you all for the hard work and dedication, not just this past week, but for the entire year. You should all be extremely proud of your achievements.
Now please welcome Reverend John Huxtable for a brief introduction of tonight's awards.
Good evening. Okay, I work at a church. I hear it better than that at church. Good evening. There you go. This is an awards night, right? Come on, celebrate, guys. Thank you for letting me do this. I get to live vicariously through each of you because I didn't get to be in a record. So enjoy this evening, you guys. The awards process always provides a means for sororities and fraternities of Monmouth to measure their activities and their programs against the founding principles. It also helps us ensure that the actions of our orgs are congruent with the values articulated in rituals and creeds. These nights are extremely important in that we are reminded of the importance of taking a pause and celebrating one another and the multitude of gifts that each one of you sitting here this evening brings to your chapters, to our school, and to the greater community. The FSL Awards Packet encourages each of your chapters to reflect on both their accomplishments and potential areas of improvement. Each of your chapters has worked extremely hard to compile information for the 2025 academic year. A diverse group of judges, whose names can be found in the program, then scored your submissions. The awards based on those results will be presented this evening. In addition to honoring the chapters winning each award, we will also recognize the chapters who came in second place in some of the categories with an honorable mention. A representative from the chapter or the individual winning an award may come forward to the stage to receive it when their name is called. Honorable mention certificates, as well as the boxes for the awards, will be available after the ceremony is finished, which is also when you'll get pictures taken of each chapter and the award recipients together. So do not rush out of here immediately. You know you have to have pictures. Everybody loves those, right? Finally, I want to take a moment to recognize all those who have helped bring this night to life. So many people behind the scenes have worked to put together the programs, the awards, and this presentation. Know that each of your efforts and willingness to celebrate these outstanding students is a great gift that continues to build and to honor our campus and our community. This is an evening that truly shines brightly on the understanding that we are all preciously and deeply interconnected, and that together we can achieve much more than individually. Let us now celebrate these awards. So we'll now begin the ceremony, starting with the award for academic excellence presented by Ms. Sydney Burge, President of Beta Phi.
The awards, it's your one from thoughtful academic pursuit is a central value in fraternal organizations. In fact, it was the greatest principle upon which the founders of these organizations established our men's and women's fraternities more than a century ago. The award for academic excellence is earned by the chapter, which demonstrates not only the greatest accomplishments in academics, but also an ongoing system of programs to support scholastic achievement. An honorable mention for academic excellence goes to the members of Sigma Phi Epsilon. This year's winning chapter has dedicated itself to supporting members in their academic pursuits. Members were awarded for earning A's, B's, and attending class. Members on academic probation work with the VP of Member Experience to develop an academic support program and hold follow-up meetings to track progress. They are also encouraged to attend tutoring hours and utilize resources like the Writing Center. Most notably, this chapter achieved the highest GPA among all 6 organizations in both the spring and fall of 2025, earning a 3.69 and a 3.49 respectively. The 2025 Academic Excellence Award has been earned by Pi Beta Phi. Please welcome last year's emerging female, Miss Lily Fleming, to present the 2025 Emerging Sorority Leader Award.
The award for Emerging Sorority Leader recognizes a sorority member who demonstrates outstanding leadership within her chapter and the Monmouth College community. This individual must show great potential to lead her chapter and advocate for the entire FSL community. This year's emerging sorority leader has served her chapter as well as the entire campus admirably since she arrived at Monmouth. In her time here, she has made her mark in Greek life, academics, and resident life. She has been an inspiration with her dedication to the student organizations that she leads. Her nominator describes her as someone who embodies the Kappa value of love for learning, which is shown in her dedication to her academics and research. She adds she is a leader across campus because of her genuine and kind personality that allows her to connect with anyone. Please join me in congratulating the 2026 Emerging Sorority Leader from Kappa Kappa Gamma, Ms. Carla Ramirez. Welcome last year's emerging male and current Sigma Phi Epsilon president, Mr. Kent Booth, to present the 2026 Emerging Fraternity Leader Award.
Forgive me, I'm tall. The award for Emerging Fraternity Leader recognizes a man who also demonstrates outstanding leadership within his chapter at the Monmouth College community. This man must show great potential to lead his chapter and advocate for the entire FSL community. This year's recipient is completely dedicated to ensuring his fraternity is always seeking to improve their academics and the programs that help his brothers to grow. He was recently accepted in an Order of Omega Honor Society with an astounding 4.0 cumulative GPA. His nominator states that he is one of the first to come to the aid of a brother when he needs it. He also notes that he represents all values of our chapter by living a just and upright life where he serves as an example for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2026 Emerging Fraternity Leader from Sigma Phi Epsilon, Mr. Landon Ross. Now, please welcome President of Zeta Beta Tau, Mr. Colin Heslin, to present the Richard Keith Award for Involvement, Greek Life, and Athletics.
Good evening, guys. It is now my honor to present the Richard Keith Award for Involvement, Greek Life, and Athletics. Professor Richard Keith taught at Monmouth College for a span of 30 years before passing away in 2009. Doc rarely missed an athletic event, was demanding in the classroom, and was devoted to fraternity and sorority life. The Keith Award recognizes an undergraduate who shares these qualities and demands extreme high performance. A 3.3 GPA minimum, at least 2 fraternity leadership roles, a record of service, and 3 years on an athletic team. This year's recipient is a wonderful example of what Doc Keith stood for. He's a campus leader and an amazing young man who is dedicated to being a strong leader and wonderful example for others. He has been committed to track and field as well as basketball for all 3 years of his Monmouth College career, while maintaining an outstanding academic record. His nominator states he embodies what Dr. Richard Keith valued in the student athletes and Greek leaders. He is hardworking, dedicated, and inspires those around him. Please join me in recognizing the recipient of the 2025 Richard Dot Keefe Award for Involvement, Greek Life, and Athletics from Zeta Beta Tau, Peyton Crims. He is not here. Do you want to? Okay. Please welcome to the stage the chaplain of Phi Delta Theta, Mr. Peyton Lamb, to present the Award of Excellence in Philanthropic Programming.
Each organization on this campus participates in numerous philanthropic activities throughout the local community and with their own national philanthropies. A cornerstone of the Greek experience is using our time and talents to give to others, and all of you have done your part to raise awareness and funds to support outstanding causes. For philanthropic programming, honorable mention goes to the members of Pi Beta Phi. This year's winning chapter worked with a number of charitable organizations in 2025, including November Children's Miracle Network, P Positive Foundation, and their own Fraternity Foundation. This chapter succeeded in finding fun and creative ways to engage campus and donate to worthy causes. These included a March Madness bracket competition, a Rose for Bros flower fundraiser, and Pizza Ranch philanthropy. Through all of their programming, this fraternity raised approximately $3,600 for their chosen philanthropies. Please join me in crediting this year's recipient of Excellence in Philanthropic Programming, the members of Zeta Beta Tau. Please welcome Kappa Gamma President, Ms. Elena Earl, to present the Excellence in Community Service Award.
Our organizations perform many types of services. They serve their members, helping them grow into successful young adults. They serve our campus, promoting excellence in academics and leadership. Finally, they serve others off campus through community service. Giving back to our communities has been an important aspect of our organization since their founding, which is why we recognize it tonight. For excellence in community service, an honorable mention goes to the members of Phi Delta Theta. This year's recipient logged the most service hours per member during the 2025 calendar year, despite also being heavily involved across campus. This chapter emphasized their commitment to community service by implementing a formal process to submit and track cumulative service hours. This chapter served individuals off campus with hours spent volunteering with the VA, athletic events, food drive, churches, schools, and others. For both semesters, their members averaged 7.5 hours of service each. Please join me in congratulating this year's recipient of the Excellence in Community Service Award, the members of Zeta Beta Tau. Welcome Vice President for Student Affairs and Dean of Students, Dean Karen O, to present the Outstanding Chapter Advisor Award.
successful chapter, there must be a team of dedicated, loyal advisors. Together, this group works on behalf of the organization to help its members succeed. They provide advice, mentoring, and an empathetic ear. Sometimes they are faculty members or administrators, and sometimes they're even alumni of the Fraternity Sorority of Monmouth College, or just Monmouth College. This year's recipient has served her chapter for the past 5 years and continues to make a lasting impact on all its members. She is completely dedicated to her work as an advisor, which has been seen in her compassion and genuine care for all members. The nominating chapter describes this individual as someone who goes above and beyond to celebrate all in the chapter. She is always willing to put her personal touch on everything she does for the chapter. The nominating chapter also states, whenever there is a rough patch within the chapter, she is there to offer guidance and direction towards a successful solution. I will also go off script, as I'm known to do occasionally in this category. I've known this individual since she was 14 years old when I moved in next door. And she's grown up watching the chapter that nominated her, that she is now a member of, in my backyard, celebrating Bid Day every year for year after year after year. So it was a wonderful moment, I guess, in my life when she decided to join Alpha Xi Delta. So it's my honor to present the award for the 2025 Outstanding Advisor for her work with Alpha Xi Delta to Vanessa Witherell. And her mom's in the back. She was my partner in crime in getting her here tonight. Former president of Zeta Beta Tau, to present the award for chapter education and programming. Did I say? Oh, sorry. He was the former president.
Appropriate risk management and prevention policies are incredibly important to our current and future success as Greek letter organizations. Each chapter should offer designated programming to discuss topics such as alcohol and drug use, violence and assault, and hazing prevention throughout the year. In addition to these, programs in the areas of health and wellness, career development, and multicultural differences should be offered to give your members opportunities to grow as engaged and well-rounded citizens. Honorable mention for chapter education and programming is awarded to the members of Alpha Xi Delta. Members of this year's winning chapter attended virtual and in-person trainings held by their national organization on topics like program changes and improvements, financial literacy, and anti-hazing advocacy. They attended training focused on mental health and wellness, to help each member understand the importance of taking care of themselves. This organization also placed a heavy emphasis on the National Fraternity's cultural and religious history, celebrating several holidays important in the Jewish faith. The chapter also attended a Shabbat service at Temple Shalom and were present for Rabbi Bundy being installed at Temple Shalom. Please join me in congratulating the winner of the 2025 Chapter Education and Programming Award, the members of Zeta Beta Tau. Please welcome Kappa Kappa Gamma member, Ms. Carla Ramirez, to present the award for excellence in involvement and leadership development.
Hello. Fraternities and sororities teach members to engage with their communities and share their talents in leadership positions. On Monmouth's campus, this is most often witnessed in members' participation in non-Greek activities, which most chapters ask as a condition of membership. Another key component of chapter success is programming on leadership. When chapters provide educational and leadership opportunities for their members, they improve not only their organizations, but the overall campus community. The honorable mention in involvement in leadership development goes to the members of Zeta Beta Tau. This year's winning chapter is involved in Stockdale Fellows, musical ensembles, athletics, decoria, Ender, and theater. Outside of Monmouth, members work as Galesburg Hospice, volunteer coaches, Miracles in Motion, and an EMT. Throughout the year, this chapter's executive board improved their leadership skills by attending their national convention, hosting a leadership retreat, and meeting with their leadership consultant from their HQ, all of which required a great deal of effort and coordination. Please join me in congratulating the winner of the 2025 Excellence in Involvement and Leadership Development Award, the members of Pi Beta Phi. Please welcome Alpha Psi Delta President, Ms. Sabrina Oakes, who will be presenting the Outstanding Chapter Program Award.
Throughout the year, our organizations host dozens of events and programs. Social exchanges with other chapters, educational programs for members, and campus events fill all of our calendars. When planned thoroughly and executed well, these programs are fun, well-attended, and reflect positively on our entire FSL community. Each of our nominated programs this year is to be applauded for their overall success and positive contributions to our community and beyond. The honorable mention for chapter program goes to Alpha Psi Delta for Mocktails and Alcohol 101. This year's outstanding program was assisted by an amazing Monmouth alumnus who currently serves as Grant President of his national organization. It was also done in communion with athletics. He was brought to campus to discuss the important topics of how to prevent hazing. He discussed some of the root causes of all hazing and risky behaviors and how we can all be on the lookout as members of our chapters. He also used real-world examples to further drive home the point that we all need to be on guard about attitudes and behaviors that could eventually develop into hazing practices. This program was viewed as a great success and garnered a large audience. The nominator stated, "This was a very good introduction on how to organize events on a larger scale." This was an event that served the entire Monmouth campus. Please help me in congratulate the winners of the Award for Outstanding Chapter Program for their hazing prevention talk with Brad Marstack, the members of Signify Excellence. To present the 2025 Great Woman of the Year Award.
leader is earned by a sister who exemplifies strong Pan-Hellenic values, is a leader in her chapter and across campus, and is widely respected and involved both inside and outside the Greek community. This year's recipient has been an editor for the Midwest Journal of Undergraduate Research. She has served as Vice President of Inclusion in 2024 and 2025, where she ran educational and engaging workshops for active members, as well as collaborating with other campus DEI initiatives and events. In this work, she strived to ensure that all members of her chapter were taken care of and were able to see their worth. She served as Order of Omega Vice President in 2024 and President in 2025. Her nominators described her as a lifelong leader committed to all that she is passionate about. The nominator also added, she is a sincere friend to all. She is always willing to put others before herself. Her core values align perfectly with those of her chapter. Please join me in congratulating the 2026 Greek Woman of the, or 2025, I don't know, of the year from Pi Beta Phi, Ms. Bronte DeSwartz. Please welcome President of Phi Delta Theta, Mr. Jordan Bridgeford, to present the 2025 Greek Man of the Year Award.
The Greek Man of the Year is earned by a fraternity member who exemplifies strong fraternal values, who is highly involved as a leader in his chapter and across campus, and who is widely respected among the Greek community. This year's winner has served as President and Operations Director of his fraternity. He has set the bar high academically and pushed his entire fraternity to keep pace with him. He has been the Vice President of Order of Omega and has been committed to leadership development and collaboration among fraternity and sorority leaders. He serves as the Treasurer of Alpha Lambda Delta. He dedicates himself to building and maintaining awareness of the importance of ethical leadership, service, and academic excellence among all Greek life, as well as throughout our entire campus. He's a first-year mentor and orientation leader where he supports students on their college journey. He serves as parliamentarian of Scott Student Senate. This young man's nominator states, every role he serves, this man leads with purpose, academic excellence, and a commitment to service. Please join me in congratulating the 2025 Greek Man of the Year from Zeta Beta Tau, Mr. Cameron Shook. Please welcome Ms. Bronte DeSwartz to present the Outstanding Chapter President Award and the Outstanding Chapter Operations Award.
The Outstanding Chapter President Award is presented to an individual who has proven their dedication and commitment to their own Greek organization, the entire FSL community, and the greater campus and local communities. I would like to note how exceptional all the candidates were, so this was not a simple decision for our judges. This year's recipient has served her chapter as well as holding many roles within the greater community. The recipient has been part of Scott Student Senate. The recipient has held multiple positions within the Curia, as well as has been an RA. They are a 4-year member of Alpha Lambda Delta and a 2-year member of Order of Omega. The recipient continues to maintain an outstanding GPA, even with all they are involved in.
Her nominators describe her as the very best person. They hold themselves to the highest standards while lifting others. They also wrote, "Our chapter is better now than when she found it. It has a new sense of pride within all its members." Please join me in congratulating the 2025 Outstanding Greek Chapter President from Pi Beta Phi, Ms. Maya Dickerson. Please welcome Reverend Huxtable to present the Outstanding Chapter Operations Award.
The Outstanding Chapter Operations Award was created to recognize a chapter for achieving excellence in all areas of chapter operations: academic, programming, service, philanthropy, community involvement, standards, and so much more. This is the highest award a Greek organization may earn at Monmouth College. Honorable mention this evening goes to Kappa Kappa Gamma. This year's winning organization excelled in several areas of operation. Their advisor wrote, "They continue to be one of the strongest chapters in the nations and here at Monmouth College." Many of the members participated in the Fraternity Leadership Conference, where they learned to better serve both their fraternity as well as the community. This led to the fraternity being awarded the Operational Excellence Award in February. They built an executive board where each member has an alumni mentor to help them navigate each position. The chapters raise funds for San Luis Bill's Hospital Helpers, face its foundation. The money will be used for toys for children in the hospital and support men's mental health. They are also national leader boards for fundraising. As their advisor wrote, despite the challenge in scheduling, the members were able to participate in interesting, fun, and educational events all year. They hosted a talk on hazing, creating an event around resume building, and they did all of this while holding an extremely high GPA as a fraternity. Please join me in congratulating the recipients of the 2025 Outstanding Chapter Operations Award, and near and dear to my heart, Sigma Phi Epsilon. And now, please welcome back our Greek Week directors to announce the final award recipients of the evening.
We have come to the final honors of the evening. We will begin with Greek god, goddess, demigod, and demigoddess.
The Greek god and goddess are older members who embody our fraternal spirit and have earned the loyalty and admiration not only of their own brothers and sisters, but also of the entire Greek life family. The Greek demigod and goddess are newer members who step up to the plate as examples of fraternal and panhellenic virtue, cheering us all on and leading us into competition and collaboration.
Nominations for these awards came from the Greek Week Committee members. When we call your name, please come to the stage and stay on the stage to be recognized as a group.
Sorry for the, I didn't read who was winning it. Your 2025 Greek demigod from Zeta Beta Tau and near and dear to my heart is my fraternity son, William Johnston.
Your 2025 Greek demigoddess from Alpha Zeta Delta is Danny Simmons.
Now your 2025 Greek god from Sigma Phi Epsilon is Ryan Finn.
From Kappa Kappa Gamma is Elena Earl.
Congratulations to these four outstanding individuals. And next we will, gotta hit myself. Next we'll present the Spirit Stick, which recognizes the chapter that has shown the most enthusiasm, sportsmanship, and spirit throughout this week's activities. This year we are presenting 2 Spirit Sticks, one for the fraternity and one for the sororities. Nominations for this also came from members of the Greek Week Committee.
For their passionate displays of friendship and loyalty to the overall Greek community, the fraternity chapter earning the Spirit Stick this year as the first recipients ever for the Fraternity Spirit Stick is Phi Delta Theta.
The sorority chapter that is awarded the Spirit Stick is Kappa Kappa Gamma. Competition. Points came from all the week's activities, banners, penny wars, and the jogathon. This year in particular, the scores were extremely close. You should all be extraordinarily proud of the work you've put in this week, and we are incredibly grateful for your dedication.
In third place, with 1,520 points, Zeta Beta Tau.
In second place, with 1,670 points, is Phi Delta Theta.
first place is, this year's Greek Week champion with 1,720 points is Pi Beta Phi.
And with our final closing remarks, please welcome back Reverend John Huxtable.
So I wrote some comments, but I'm not going to use them, okay? Grace is going nuts right now, aren't you? You guys have fun tonight? Did you have fun all year? You know why you have fun? Because you're a community. You're connected. Aren't you? No fights, right? Nobody fights in sororities and fraternities, right? But if you do, you wake up, right? You see, these awards are awesome because they remind us of how good we are together and how amazing we are. And y'all are Fighting Scots overall. And that's a great gift to each of us. So, celebrate it tonight because guess what starts tomorrow? The points again, right? So it's just a reboot. But you got 3 weeks left. You're an amazing group of students, amazing group of individuals. You're all children of God, great gifts to God and to this campus community. So as you go forth this evening, know what a blessing it is to serve you, but also what a blessing it is to be served by you guys in the community. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, before we forget, everybody photographs afterwards, right? Boxes for the awards and honorable mention certificates are up here. One final thing. I gotta do this because y'all took me away, but I love being here and doing this for you. But 27 years ago today, I married Grace's mom. And I enjoyed tonight because she's not home. God bless and come get pictures.
All right. I think that's it. Meredith, is that it? Oh, do I have to turn it? Or is this? All right, perfect. Of course.